Silver just made history. This isn't a price spike, it's a full-blown short squeeze shaking the entire financial world. Experts like Peter Schiff and Wall Street Gold say what's happening right now could redefine the market. And later, we'll go over the latest silver forecast reported from major financial news. Post by Peter Schiff. Silver is now up over $2 on the day, trading above $52. December silver futures are now above $50.40, still in backwardation, but the shorts are clearly in trouble. Soon they will be running for cover. Their losses could be huge. I wonder what kinds of counterparty risk exist. This post from Peter Schiff highlights one of the most critical signals in any commodity market: backwardation. That's when the current price of silver is higher than its future contracts, showing strong real demand and tight physical supply. It's a clear sign that the market wants silver now, not months later. And Schiff's warning about counterparty risk means that some traders and funds might not be able to handle the losses from this squeeze, a situation that can ripple across financial institutions. Second post by Peter Schiff. Gold is about to break above $4,150, and silver is about to break above $53. Get ready for a silver short squeeze for the ages. But the main event will be the global rug pull on the US dollar and treasury market. This is a coming Cat 5 financial hurricane hiding in plain sight. Schiff connects the dots here. Silver's breakout isn't just about metals, it's about confidence. When investors lose faith in paper assets like dollars and government bonds, they rush to hard assets. That's exactly what's happening now. His Category 5 hurricane metaphor shows the scale of this shift. Silver is becoming a financial refuge amid global debt and currency worries. Post by Correlation Economics. The fundamental silver price is approaching $65. This insight points to the true fair value of silver, based on supply, demand, and industrial use. It means even at 53, silver might still be undervalued compared to its real-world importance in energy, electronics, and manufacturing. It's not speculation, it's a recalibration of what silver is truly worth in today's economy. Post by Wall Street Gold. Silver hits $53, new all-time high. Spot silver just ripped to $53 during overnight trade. Welcome to the silver supercycle. This is the confirmation point. Silver finally breaks above $53, and traders call it the start of a supercycle. A supercycle is when price growth isn't just temporary, it's long-term, fueled by years of supply deficits and expanding industrial demand. End post by bar chart. Silver to hit $100 by the end of 2026, says BNP Paribas and Solomon Global. When big institutions like BNP Paribas project $100 silver, it shows the bullish momentum is being validated by serious money. Their forecast is based on structural shortages and ongoing inflation, both of which can drive metals to historic highs.
Silver forecast. FX Street confirms what those posts are showing in real time. Silver just broke past $52.50, pushing into new all-time highs as the short squeeze deepens. According to their analysis, traders betting against silver are being forced to cover their short positions, creating a self-fueling rally. But it's not only technical, it's also psychological. Momentum traders are piling in, and the emotional wave of fear and greed is amplifying every price move. FX Street also mentions that while pullbacks may come, the overall direction remains strongly bullish, with silver now being repriced as investors rush toward hard, tangible assets. FX Empire expands on this story, saying that silver's record breakout through $51 was more than just resistance. It was a decade-long ceiling shattered. Now that barrier is gone, the next phase could bring sustained accumulation from institutional and long-term investors. They highlight that as long as silver holds above the $46 to $47 support range, the move isn't just hype, it's a confirmed market shift. This breakout, after years of sideways movement, could mark the start of a new bull market cycle, similar to what we saw in the early 2000s.
Post by Chris Marcus.
Another 2 million ounces of silver left the COMEX on Monday. This post is highlighting something big. A large amount of silver, around 2 million ounces, has just been withdrawn from the COMEX vaults in a single day. Now, when that happens, it usually means one of two things. Either investors or institutions are taking physical delivery, or supplies are tightening as demand for real silver, not just paper contracts, surges. That's a strong signal that confidence in physical silver is rising, and investors might be positioning themselves before further price increases. This kind of movement often indicates growing pressure on available supply, a trend we've seen during previous silver bull runs. Post by bar chart. Silver getting absolutely sent, another new all-time high. This means silver prices are surging sharply, breaking past all previous records. When analysts say getting absolutely sent, it's trader slang for a massive, unstoppable move upward. Combined with Chris Marcus's post, it paints a clear picture. Physical silver is being pulled off exchanges while market prices are skyrocketing, suggesting that investor demand is far outpacing supply. What's happening now looks like a moment of real stress and momentum in the silver market. If this continues, we could see even higher prices as more investors rush in, fearing they might miss the move. The bigger picture. So what does all of this mean? From Peter Schiff's posts to FX Street's analysis, the message is clear. Silver is in the middle of a fundamental revaluation. For over a decade, silver has been treated like a forgotten asset, trapped between industrial use and investor speculation. But now with inflation climbing, the dollar weakening, and supply tightening, the market is waking up to silver's true potential. Yes, volatility will continue, but beneath the charts, something more powerful is happening. A shift from paper wealth to real wealth. And as both gold and silver surge together, we're witnessing a global vote of no confidence in fiat currencies. This isn't the end of silver's story. It might just be the beginning of the silver supercycle. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Always do your own research or consult a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Stay alert, stay informed, and remember, these moves only seem extreme until they become the new normal. Silver's breakout is history in motion, and the world is finally paying attention.
Thanks for watching. All information shared in this video is publicly available and based on research for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice.